I'm not saying that it has been easy, you know. There have been days where my ribs have been achy or my lower back is out of alignment.
Paige Fraser, born and raised in the Bronx, dreamt of a career in dance at the age of 4. At 13, she was diagnosed with scoliosis, a curvature of the spine, despite doctors telling her that her condition would worsen. 15 years later, she made it without surgery, became a professional dancer, and is the founder of the Paige Fraser Foundation, or TPFF. Fraser aims to bring awareness to scoliosis and provides a safe space for dancers with and without disabilities.
There are other ways to cure and help the symptoms of scoliosis. And that is why the name of this program is Dance is Healing, because dance was one of those healing factors that helped me while I was dealing with this diagnosis.
It has been 1 year since the Paige Fraser Foundation launched back in March of 2017, and now their first program, Dance is Healing, brings yoga, ballet, and other dance classes to young dancers in the Bronx community. Seeing her mission and program come to reality, she expresses her emotion.
To see these students that I've never met, they're interested. They want to be here. They showed up at 8:30 a.m. 2 days in a row, achy bodies, tired, but they showed up and they're inspired, and their hard work over these past 2 days has inspired me.
The age groups varies from 10 to 17. We spoke to 14-year-old Omarion Burke, who's been dancing for 3 years and auditioned to the Broadway show The Lion King at the age of 10. Although he did not make it, he describes how the teachers in the program helped him grow as a dancer.
I'm finding my voice in dance. Like, I'm taking artistic choices. I'm not just like dancing like a robot. I'm not just like following what the teacher does. I'm actually like using what they have given me, and I'm putting it into like my body and making it look good on me.
Executive Director and founder of Mind Builders Creative Art Center, Madaha Kinsuy-Lamb, and TPFF share a similar mission in terms of building confidence in young teens. She describes her partnership with the Paige Fraser Foundation.
It's just so wonderful that we've been blessed with a facility like this and with partners like Paige Fraser Foundation, with the kind of sincere and skilled message that they're getting across and connecting with our young people. We're just really honored to be a part of this and to be a partner in something that's so important and effective.
Fraser's new program, Dance is Healing, will be a free annual workshop for young dancers who will receive different dance classes and mentorship from professional dancers. For more events, you can visit thePaigeFraserFoundation.org. Reporting for BronxNet, Yesenia Ramos.